Hello everybody, my name is Gladys. Thank you for clicking this video. I mainly make skincare related topics and I share how I take care of my skin to fight against any kind of early signs of aging. If you wanted to know more, you can subscribe to my channel. Today I am very excited because I have been testing this product for the past 2 months. I am finally able to see some results and the result is pretty impressive, and so I wanted to give this product a review. A medical grade skincare brand called Osmosis Beauty, and I have used 2 of the products, which is the Epidermal Repair Serum as well as the Gentle Retinol Serum. If you want to know the results, make sure you keep on watching. Okay, let's jump right into it. I'm sure you're interested to know the results. Let's first of all talk about the Epidermal Repair Serum from Osmosis Beauty. And this product actually has a patented ingredient that could repair your skin, that could accelerate the repairing of your skin, especially for people who have rosacea or redness on their skin. Before I used this product, my skin was very prone to redness. My skin had rosacea before 2 or 3 years ago, and I managed to control it and it stopped flaring up, as in like it doesn't pop any kind of pimples out, but then my skin was very prone to redness around my cheek area. I remember before I used this product, I was skiing. I was going in and out of warm and cold weather. If you don't already know, people who have rosacea prone skin, anything that could potentially dilate our blood vessel, for example going in and out of high temperature and low temperature environment, our skin tend to get redness. So this is what happened before I tried this product. The formulation of this product is very simple. It has this patented ingredient. I would say that the smell of this product isn't very pleasant. Like, it doesn't have that kind of floral scent. It has this like very intensified chlorine when you go to the swimming pool. I wouldn't mind it because it dissipates quite quickly after a few minutes, but then you really need to get used to it, and eventually I'm not bothered by the smell because I know this is what this product smells. Despite the smell, I'm very impressed with this product. I didn't have much of an expectation of what this product can potentially help me. Oh my god. I talked about what happened before. I think 1 month in, I use this product once a day. I use it in the evening. I can tell my skin barrier was much stronger because of using this product. I can slowly introduce AHA, BHA, strong version, okay? I just want to remind you, I can slowly introduce the ordinary peeling solution on my rosacea prone skin. And then also because of this, I can start using retinol. I can tell that my skin are happier. They are more calm, they are stronger, they have better skin barrier. Even the skin texture and then the ability to hold moisture on my skin, it was fantastic. I would really recommend this product, especially for people who have rosacea prone skin and you're still struggling with redness around your face. I'm like, very well done. I really love this. I can also say that it also accelerates my pimples. When I first started using retinol, I can see that there's some breakout on my skin after using it for the first month. I would say that it helped heal those pimples. Like normally those pimples, if I don't use this product, like I would just let it go away. I don't normally use any kind of acne kind of solution treatment. It would normally take like 3 days, 3 to 5 days, and some of them, if they're like really angry or deep-seated cysts, they would take like a whole month to erupt and then to fade away and then eventually dissipate. However, this product helped it fade away, also accelerate the recovery time of any kind of acne on my skin. Now, whenever I see any kind of acne, it probably would like take a day or 2. So that's the Epidermal Repair Serum. So another product that I have used is this Gentle Retinol Serum. Now, I had been wanting to try retinol for a while. However, with my rosacea prone skin, I do not want to test whether my skin would irritate badly, or like I just don't want to stress my skin even more because the skin barrier is already impaired and any kind of retinol would irritate skin, normal skin already. So I do not want to stress my skin any further. But after using the Epidermal Repair Serum, I think I can start to introduce stronger active actives on my skin. Now, this product is the gentle form, which I think it contains 0.3% of retinol. If you don't already know, vitamin A is the most researched ingredient that could help to fight against any kind of wrinkles, sagging, elasticity, basically anti-aging. It's like the golden ingredients against any kind of anti-aging. So I wanted to give this product a try. What's included in this product is retinol. Now this is a step before the active form. Let me say a little bit about the different stages. So before it gets into this active form of vitamin A, which is tretinoin, which you can only get it from doctor's office, before it turns into the active form of tretinoin, it is called retinol, which is what's included in this product. And then what's before the retinol is retinol. R-E-T-I-N-O-L. Retinol can be found in a lot of over-the-counter products. Again, I'm gonna go back. I do not want to irritate my skin. We Asian skin tend to scar easier than Caucasian skin. Any kind of scratch, any kind of pimples, any kind of exposure to the sun, we tend to have freckles, we tend to have sunspots, we have to have pigment on the skin. I do not want to go down to the path of irritating my skin, so I picked this product. Gentle version, but at the same time, it's only one step before the active form. I use this product at night. I use it on alternate night now, but when I first started using it, I use it maybe once every 2 to 3 days. And when I first used it for the first few weeks, I can definitely say that my skin was having purging, like breakouts on my skin. There are pimples popping up. It's not like those angry pimples. It kind of like dissipates after a day or two, because at the same time I was also using the Epidermal Repair Serum, so it kind of accelerates those healing process of those pimples. I kept on using it, and then eventually I can increase the frequency to once every other day. And here comes the impressive results. After, I would say, a month or two, I've been using this product. Oh my god. I don't know if you have heard of people saying or doctors saying they know when people are using retinol, there's some sort of shine, glass-like skin that's shine on my face, and that's exactly what I see after 2 months of using this product. It took some time for it to have that effect on my skin because I was not using it every single night. 2 months in, one morning, the night before I used this product, and the next morning when I woke up, I was like, oh my god, my skin was like glowing. It was like glowing. Even though I didn't see much of a difference in sagging or fine line on my skin, because there's no sagging or fine line on my skin right now, I'm yet to see those differences. But in terms of like the glowiness of my skin and the texture of my skin and the healthiness of my skin, I can definitely see a huge difference. I don't know how I can explain it. Just give this product a try if you want to have this kind of glow. So I'm very, very impressed with these 2 products. One, the ingredients are pretty simple. They didn't put any kind of nonsense into the product itself. And also it has a lipid delivery technology where it could help to deliver these actives into your skin. This is what makes this product or ingredient different than some of the products that you can buy in, say for example, in Sephora. As far as I know, for those medical grade brand or pharmaceutical grade brands, the products or the actives, they can deliver to your skin, and that's what they call bioavailable. So these ingredients or these actives can be used and brought down into the deeper layer of your skin, and so it can do its thing. Versus a lot of the skincare products, they only sit on the surface of your skin. Now, I'm not saying all of the medical brand or all of the over-the-counter products are like this. What I'm saying is, this is what I experienced with these 2 products. There's a huge difference in terms of the effectiveness of the results or all the results that I can see on my face versus some other, say for example, Korean brand that I can buy from, say for example, Olive Young. I can tell there's a difference in my skin. It helps my redness, helps to heal my skin, and then gives me glow on this product. I'm not sponsored. I'm just coming purely from what I experienced in the past 2 months that I have been using these 2 products. Yeah, give these 2 products a try or give this brand a try. Hopefully you can also get that glowy skin like I did. You won't regret it. Like really, you won't regret it. If you have enjoyed what I shared today, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I have more video on how you can take care of your skin. You can check them out at the end of this video. Subscribe to my channel if you wanted to watch more of my video, and make sure you turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new release video. I will see you in my next one. Bye!